I will choose Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
He is the smoothest talker ever.
Gentleman and a charmer to the core, not only for women, including men.
He is a manic man. So like बस ये simple सा गा लो, ooh, and then we all sang together. It's a very cute moment. That man is all heart. He's just love. It's just love is written all over his thing. Boosted my morale, you know. Like suddenly I was like, oh, Shah Rukh sir loved it. Okay. Shah Rukh Khan, you know, the king of Bollywood as.
Shah Rukh is a very smart guy.
Who would defend you the best as a lawyer?
अरे यार
Hands
फिल्म में
down, I will choose Shah Rukh.
Yeah.
He is the smoothest talker ever.
He'll chant the
He
whole
will,
court.
हाँ, for sure. He'll be standing over there. Lines की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं बोल सकता हूँ. He will stand there and he will talk me out of anything that I have gotten myself into. So definitely hands down Shah Rukh, no two ways about it.
Gentleman and a charmer to the core, not only for women, including men. You know, I shot Main Hoon Na with him, and he used to treat his actors like they were superstars. The most secure man I've ever seen, and that is because of the climax also. You know, he steps down and says, I can't beat Sunil Shetty up. Let me do something that he removes the pin out and go. Physically, I can't. That's a man who's secure.
He is a manic man. So much energy. We have shot nights, 6-7 nights, and he was just as peppy and as spontaneous and as flamboyant as he would be at 7 p.m. that he would be exactly the same at even 5 a.m. in the morning. So, I mean, he's just so intelligent, so well spoken, so witty, so kind. Like, I had so many questions every single day and he would just gladly answer them all, and it was lovely.
पर आपको यकीन नहीं होगा कि I had to practice a lot. It was not trick photography. And Shah Rukh, I was given a choice. Shah Rukh is a very smart guy. बोला सरीश भाई इसमें दो रोल है, एक है प्रिंसिपल का और एक है ये प्रोफेसर रसाई का. मैं बोला प्रोफेसर रसाई क्या है? बोला ऐसा ऐसा. Every time he speaks, he spits. I mean, he salivates so much that it comes out in form of espresso. तो मैंने कहा ये क्या गलीज रोल है, मैं तो प्रिंसिपल का रोल करूँगा, which eventually Burman did. तो वो स्मार्ट डायलॉग्स में सतीश भाई वो रोल तो ऐसे ही रोल तो आपने कई किए और कोई भी कर सकता है. आई थिंक यू शुड डू दिस रोल बिकॉज वी कांट थिंक ऑफ एनीबडी एल्स डूइंग इट. वो और फराह दोनों ने मिलकर मुझे चने के झाड़ पे चढ़ा दिया. That's how I ended up doing that role, but it was not easy because मैंने सोचा कैसे किया जाए. तो मणिकंदन was the cinematographer. तो उसने correct light वगैरह तो दी ही होगी, which I realized when I saw the movie. So I used to take in a gulp of water and keep it around my mouth, and then certain words and certain syllables I used to accentuate in a way कि वो स्प्रे बन के बाहर निकले. और वो इतनी मेहनत से मैं करता था और शाहरुख हंस देता था तो रीटेक हो जाता था. तो ऐसे 8 रीटेक एक बार हुए वो क्लासरूम में. और फिर मैं भड़क गया. मैंने कहा मैं इसके बाद नहीं करूँगा. और everybody is laughing on the set. They're falling off their chairs and everything. I think it is there in one of the YouTubes. And the 8th shot I gave, वहाँ भी उसने हंस दिया. That's why they had to insert the other boys, एक उसका insert डालना पड़ा जाहिर का. Because वहाँ भी उसने हंस दिया था. So it was very difficult, to keep a straight face and do these things.
There's that one moment of me and SRK. It was like one of the top 10 moments of my life is getting to sing with SRK sir, and he was also, I think on that day he was also like, oh God, like I have to sing today. He was like, क्या करना है? I was like, sir, बस ये simple सा गा लो. Ooh, and then we all sang together. It's a very cute moment.
I think Shah Rukh, I mean, I'll talk about, I've said this so much, it's embarrassing, the film is so far from being released, but I think my first day with him, it was a scene just like this, like how you and I are sitting. So it was a scene where Shah Rukh and I are sitting, and there's a whole unit, including Atlee, that genius man who I adore. I think, I mean, everyone would adore him on that set. He's just like, right now also I'm thinking of his smiling face is coming in front of me. He's so cute.
I had to veil my fangirl around him, He does. He makes you feel very comfortable. He's extremely humble. And yeah, there is no such air about him when he's on set. Like he makes sure that everybody is just in the right space when he's around. And that's what makes him Shah Rukh Khan, you know, the king of Bollywood.
Chennai Express onwards, he said the heroines' names will come first. And I'm so happy to see that post Chennai Express, all the films, the heroines' names are coming first.
Even in this, sir.
Even in this also. So Nayanthara's name comes first. Then comes Deepika in it's a special appearance, Deepika Padukone. And then all our names come. And then his name comes later on. So I'm so happy that is the amount of respect that he gives to each and every girl. And that man is all heart. He's just love. It's just love is written all over his thing. And by love, I mean he adores everybody.
So we finished watching Brahmastra. We came out of the theatre and all, and suddenly, the sweetest thing that he did was, "Arey, इसने ही तो बचाया ब्रह्मास्त्र, इसको बुलाओ." And I'm like, and I realized that, in a way, it just suddenly boosted my morale, like suddenly I was like, oh, Shah Rukh sir loved it, okay.